Hello, welcome everyone to Repairmatic. Back to Hyundai Tiburon V6, and today we have new wheels on this one. Like, I have wheels now, so I need to put them on. I did other things like painting brake calipers, painting the wing and the fuel cap, and some other changes, but they are in the previous episodes. But today I'll put the rims. I'll show you the rims. They are black. They are 245, 45, 18. So let's look at the rims. Before we go any further on this one, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. Comments, any comments, just not bad comments. Don't do that. So here we have the car, and these are the old rims, which are 15, and they don't suit the car. But look at these ones. It's I guess this is from Tiguan, Volkswagen, but I can use the T for Tiburon. Here in Sweden, this is called Hyundai Coupe, but worldwide it's called Tiburon. So what I have here is 245 40 18, which can be too low, but and these tires can be too big for this one because they are really wide. 245 recommended is 225, but let's see. I'll put them now to see how the car looks, if they fit or not. I've read online that they fit, so let's see. This is how it looks after the front one. It's not too low. Yeah, there's a difference, and it's almost inside the body. I don't think this will rub because the difference is a lot. Not a lot, but big, good enough. Yeah, let's do the other ones quickly, and then I'll show you the final result. If you like the rims or a car or the tires, anything, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you will see more Hyundai videos, golf videos, and other interesting videos. But just hit the subscribe button. See you. Bye.